Salamat po. Thank you for making it platinum, guys. Thank you. Wish I had a place, wish I might have a chance to show you, speak myself. Kamusta ba yung mga nasa second floor? Yung nasa third floor? Yung nasa fourth floor? Nasa fifth floor? Ano po? At yung nasa ground floor? Every wish is granted. Never break your heart. Always there to listen. Always fight. Kayo naman! To want you all through your life. Wish you may feel my love. That is it. The stars, wish I may, wish I might be the one. Happy birthday! Kamusta ba yung mga nasa likod? Okay ba kayo dyan? Dito! I love you all! You may feel my love. That is it. The stars, wish I may, wish I might be the one. Wish I may, wish I might be the one. Ako? For sure, meron kayong inaabangan sa pagkanta. Ano ba yun? Ay, hindi ko marinig. Ano ba yun? O sige, request nyo yan, ha? Sige po, music please. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng nandito ngayon. Para po sa inyo itong kantang to. isa-isang asang hapunti ay reflects like the other from every doubt I had, I'm finally free, and I truly believe God gave me you to show me what's real. And there's more to life than just how I feel, and all that I'm worth is right before my eyes, and all that I live for, though I didn't know why, now I do. Because in your arms I'm someone new, with every tender kiss from you. Oh, must confess, I've been blessed. God gave me you to show me what's real. There's more to life than just how I feel. And all is right before my eyes, and all that I lived for, though I didn't know why, now I do. 'Cause God gave me you. Now I do. Because thank you so much. Thank you po. Thank you so much sa lahat po ng bumili ng album ngayon. Ito naman ang pinakihintay ng lahat eh. Picture na, uy! Babalik po ako. I'll be right back. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat, Mama Sandel, Alan Richards. Magbabalik po siya on stage, Mama